Hello everybody, good morning. I'm just waking up to go to work. And I don't know if you guys can hear me, my husband is sleeping. This is what I have to go through. I told him to fix the bathroom, okay? It's the weekend, okay? And I'm about to go to work. I asked him to fix the hot water button or knob. And he's like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. It's been almost a week. So this is how I turn on the hot water. Hang on 1 second. This is so funny. Here you go. So if you want to turn on the hot button, here you go. The hot water, I mean. Okay. This is every day. And I struggle with this all the time. Because I don't know how to do this shit. And he's like, see what I'm talking about? So I have to be doing this. Voila. Hot water. Okay? My tub is a little messy, but okay, I asked him for a new bathroom to fix the bathroom. And he's like, yeah, soon. And it's never done. So this is how I turn on the water and turn it off because he doesn't want to fix it. And here go the knob right here. Excuse me, the toilet. Don't judge my bathroom. Okay. And here go the tub. And there you go. Let me show you my shower curtain. I love my shower curtain. I love the shower curtain. But this is what I'm dealing with now. Okay? So this is my turn on and turn off hot water. A screwdriver. I think, is this a screwdriver? Or pliers? I don't know what the hell it is. But I hope you can hear me, YouTube world. How you doing? Please subscribe. Subscribe and share. I need to get a new hot water knob. Please. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.